How do you write a montage in a screenplay? A montage is a series of short moments or visuals that show the passage of time, progress toward a goal, or a sequence of connected actions. There are a few ways to format it, and which one you use depends on how long or complex the montage is. The simplest way is to write it like this. Montage: Sarah trains for the tournament. Then you would list each moment with dashes or bullets underneath, such as Sarah runs laps around the park, Sarah spars with her coach, Sarah collapses exhausted but determined, end montage. That's a clean visual and it is easy to read. If your montage takes place in a specific location, then you want to include that in the scene heading. For example, int gym-day- montage. Then write out the moments the same way. For a more cinematic montage that jumps between different places, you can also label each moment separately. For example, x.park-day. Sarah runs until her legs give out. Int gym-night. She punches the bag again and again. Int kitchen-morning. She ices her swollen hands. At the end, return to normal formatting with a line like end montage or back to scene. Show that it's a sequence of related moments and make it easy for the reader to follow the flow. Avoid writing full paragraphs for each moment. Montages typically work best when they are short, visual, and fast moving. So remember, use montage in your scene heading or as its own heading, list short, simple moments underneath, and end with either end montage or back to scene. Keep it quick and cinematic. And that is how to format a montage in your screenplay. And if you want a place to actually build moments like this into your own script, there's a 10-day screenwriting course linked in the description that walks you through the entire writing process step by step. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.